Is it hard for you to find a healthy food out there? Or maybe you are a gym bro, so you are on your diet. Wanna have a good lifestyle? So you wanna start with a good and a healthier food. You wanna cut out the calories in your food. Or maybe you wanna save your time and make the cooking faster than ever. If that's so, the Ninja Air Fryer Max is the best solution for you. So my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Kamaruzaman from AP225 Class 1A. So today I'm going to show and present to you all the best cooking appliance that everyone should have at home. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a world where you can cook all your favorite foods without worrying about the extra calories or the mess of traditional frying methods in just a minute. That's crazy, right? Yeah, that world easier and bring to you by the incredible Ninja Air Fryer Max. It is just not a cooking appliance, it's a game changer. The Ninja Air Fryer Max is a fast and easy way to cook your favorite foods. Features 6 auto IQ functions, a digital timer, and a dishwasher safe parts to make cleaning a breeze. The wide temperature range up to 240 Celsius allows you to gently remove moisture from the foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with a convection heat. You can enjoy your fried foods with a crispier finish than ever before. Guilt-free with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. It makes your favorite food easily with an air fryer for a bit of a healthier option. It also already been tested by a cooking expert and ranked in the best air fryer in 2023. So come, make a change now. Step into a world of healthier cooking and realize every bite without compromise. The Ninja Air Fryer Max, your partner for delicious, guilt-free meals in just a couple of minutes. You can enjoy your food, without afraid about the calories anymore. So that's all from me. Thank you.